In a world where technology evolves at a breakneck speed, one invention has managed to cause a seismic shift in every industry: artificial intelligence. Picture this. A decade ago, who would have believed that an autonomous car could navigate city streets with ease, or that a voice-activated assistant could schedule our appointments, play our favorite music, and even order dinner? Yet, here we are in the year 2024, living these realities thanks to AI. Now imagine harnessing this power for your own professional growth. Intriguing, isn't it? This is where our 5-day AI course comes into play. Take a moment to ponder on my own journey. I was a technophobe, often overwhelmed by the pace of digital advancements. Then I stumbled upon this AI course. It was a game changer. The course made AI less intimidating and more accessible. It helped me understand its mechanisms, applications, and potential. Today, I can confidently navigate the AI sphere, create AI-driven solutions, and stay ahead of the curve. This transformative power of our AI course isn't exclusive to me. Hear it from some of our previous students. Jane, a marketing executive from New York, shares, "I was skeptical at first, but by the end of the 5 days, I had a clear understanding of AI. It's helped me make data-driven decisions at work, and I've seen immediate results." Then there's Mike, a small business owner from London, who attests, "This course demystified AI for me. I've been able to automate several processes in my business, saving time and increasing efficiency." These are just two of the countless success stories from our AI course. Now, it's your turn. Do you want to remain a spectator in this AI-driven world, or do you want to step into the arena equipped with knowledge and power? The choice is yours. But remember, the future belongs to those who prepare for it today. So, are you ready to seize the future? Hello, this is me, Rob Lowe. I know we've been talking a lot about AI, but the truth is, it's not just about understanding these technologies, it's about using them to create a better future. So I invite you to visit my website, where we've got a whole course dedicated to AI. Don't just watch the world change, be a part of that change. Buy the course, learn, grow, and let's seize the future together.